Okay, it's the hurricane party. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about 2:30, 3:30. Rain is coming down a little. Got the airplanes covered. Best we can. That one we're gonna close the canopy on. Almost got this baby done. My next video is gonna show the cockpit. This is Janessa's car. There's the other car. The little Honda. Got the F-86 covered. Got 250, the Marchetti covered. Everything's looking pretty good. Yeah. Got Pataki's benches and his toolbox covered. What is this? Oh, it's like 10 after 4. Okay. So here we go. Notice the doors are shut. So let's see. I got a little breeze coming in. It ain't that bad. Boy, it sounded like it was a lot worse before. But okay. The big bed hanger, everything's looking good. I'm still alive. But I guess we're still about 8 hours away from the hurricane. But this is it. There's the big bad A4, man. I think we'll be flying her Friday. She's all done. Maybe we'll do the cockpit check now. Oh, it's like 8 feet up to here. And here we go. Check out all the new stickers. Look at that, man. Everything is all redone. I don't have the G5 in yet. Check out the new knee knockers, man. All the new panel overlays. I still gotta get that gray paint off the shift, off the throttle. But and that black panel is gonna get either buried or replaced with 2 relays. There's the anti-G panel way back there. There's emergency speed brake. There's the canopy open and close. And here's the crazy stick. Your ailerons, look, the whole stick don't move. Just that section there rotates on that. And that whole thing goes back and forth. But your ailerons, there's a belt crank in there. That's the only one I've ever seen like this. And the whole thing down here, I can't get there. Where is it? There we are. It's built like a rear end housing in a car. It bolts right to the side there, and it's all sealed for pressure. And the cables, you don't see cables until you're out here. Okay. I always missed that last step. It's a doozy. And this is where your cables come out. I wonder how that's going to look on video. Yeah, that's where the cable comes out, right there. So the stick is actually pressurized. Here's how you open the canopy. That's how you close it. It should be closing. And then to open it, you pull that and pump that. There's the crazy antennas. That's my ceiling job. Oh, I put a brand new cam lock in there. This is the external power. It had this big stupid wing nut, and every time it came back, this door would be hanging open. There's the approach light. With my name up inside there. No one will ever take the time to get that out. That's where we put the oxygen bottles. The other A4 has the fake guns in there. And out here at the fillets, this is where our guns stick out. It's a different fillet between the combat model and the trainer model. Our Charlie model, she was in combat. This one here, I don't think this one here ever saw the deck of a ship. And ours probably had 900 carrier landings on it. But that's that. I'm all hunkered down. There's my bass guitar. The 6 strings up there, yep. And there's my my Stradivarius. And yeah, man. Okay. So that was 8 hours before the storm. And this is Thomas signing off.